President for his dedication, the commitment, and the decision he made during the elections. That was a quite remarkable job. Congratulations. FCA is well committed to the district council formation process, as you're aware, and the minister has already said that we formed the first two districts, pioneer districts for the councils, district councils in Hudura and Berdale. This project came as a result of a need and a gap that was realized after the first project ended. As you are aware, the European Union, who was supporting the first phase of the project, disengaged from the process of the district council in Southwest. So we felt there is a big gap, and then we start engaging TIS Plus if they can able to fill this gap. And we had a very long series of discussion, and afterwards they accepted, and now we're here. We are grateful for the TIS Plus to accepting to support on this program. The other thing that I would like to put across is that FCA would like to bring a healthy collaboration between the Ministry of Youth and Sports, the Ministry of Women and Human Rights Development, and the Ministry of Interior, so that we can able to work together in this district council formation process to promote the inclusivity of the process, as well as also make sure that there is a diverse representation in the process. Because in the last phase we faced quite a number of challenges. Although that was the first time this program was initiated, and I can say it was a sort of a piloting to try and see if the idea can work. But fortunately it worked, but on one other side, unfortunately, the representation we wanted was not achieved well. So we want to bring that healthy collaboration between the three ministries so that we can able to work and promote the inclusivity of the process. The other thing I want to say is that FCA is also committed in terms of promoting the ownership of the process. We want to make sure that the process is owned by the community. That's why we want the ministry to take the lead, drive the process, and make sure that the process is felt in the grassroots. The other thing I want to say is that this program is not like the other ones that we used to do before. It's now a direct engagement between FCA and the ministry, so we can able to work out so many things and able to see how best we can able to yield a good result out of this. Lastly, I want to thank also the speaker, who has been also supporting us on so many occasions, and I would like you to pass also our greetings to the president, and we look forward to welcome you and the president in ceel-berde for the launch of the programs. Thank you so much.